On the show Paradise, Henry, the creator of Alex, told us what Alex is about: advanced wave theory, superposition, and quantum entanglement. I'm going to tell you what I found out about quantum entanglement in the simplest way possible so we can figure out how it relates to Paradise and Alex. But if you haven't seen part 1 of this about superposition, make sure to check that out.
These two coins are not entangled. If we flip this coin, it won't have any effect on the other. Each coin, when flipped, will have a 50% chance of landing heads or tails, and that's true no matter what you see when you look at the other. But what if we could do some magic trick to entangle these coins so that if one comes up heads, the other will come up tails, no matter how far apart they are? Let's say I give this coin to Alice and this one to Bob just before they set off on rocket ships going in opposite directions. Alice and Bob are each under strict instructions not to flip their coins until they've been traveling for 10 years. When the time is up, they each flip their coin and immediately send radio signals to each other with the answers. But while those signals might take years to reach their destinations, the entanglement means that the moment Alice sees heads, she knows that Bob's coin landed tails, and vice versa. Alice doesn't have to wait for Bob's radio signal to arrive to know what it will say. Alice's coin had a 50-50 chance of coming up heads, but once it does, Bob's coin is tails 100% of the time. Because Bob's signal is still traveling to her when she finds out the answer, it's as if Alice has predicted the future. This might sound impossible, but it's exactly what quantum entanglement does to individual particles in experience.
So if I'm understanding this correctly, with quantum entanglement, you could potentially predict an outcome. Like if someone is dead in one version, they will be alive in the other. I can think of a lot of situations and motivations from the show Paradise that directly relates to that concept. In my next video, we will talk about advanced wave theory, and then we can bring it all together in part 4, where we talk about how these 3 elements of quantum physics come together to give us a hint about what Paradise and Alex are about and what we could see in the finale.